How to fix camera not working on Lenovo laptop. 1. Check to see that your camera is operational. 2. Set as the default camera in the app. 3. Resolve any software incompatibilities with Windows Clean Boot. 4. Examine the privacy settings on the camera. 5. Restart your laptop if necessary. 6. Launch Windows Update. 7. Check for and install driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. Plan B, delete, with Device Manager, then reinstall the camera.